Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Bobcat Miner 300 antenna is probably one of the most important upgrades you can make to your helium mining setup. This video will dive deep into the world of antennas, specifically designed to boost your Bobcat Miner 300's performance. We'll explore how the right antenna can significantly increase your HN earnings by improving signal strength and coverage within the Helium network, helping you earn more crypto. Number 5. 915 MHz 8dB Helium antenna for various miners. This antenna boosts your miner's range with 8dB gain at 915 MHz. It helps to witness hotspots from further away. It is designed to work seamlessly with various Helium miner brands. This includes Bobcat 300, Linkstot, SenseCap, and more. When installing, remember to consider antenna height and location. Also, think about building clearance and line of sight for optimal performance. The package includes the 915 MHz antenna, a 16 feet RG58 cable, an adapter, a bracket, and a lightning arrestor. Everything you need is included. If you have any questions or suggestions about the product, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help. What we like. This antenna boasts an impressive 8dB gain, significantly boosting your signal strength. It works seamlessly with all major Helium miner brands. Moreover, the included lightning arrestor provides crucial protection for your equipment. If you're looking for a reliable antenna with added safety, this is a great choice. What people say. Very low SWR in the 915 MHz frequency, and especially 906.875 MHz where you would want to use it for Meshtastic, which was my intended purpose for this antenna, but after checking the data sheet that is located on the Signal Plus website, it reads 10.5 dB not 15 dB. The build quality is excellent and comes well packed and arrived fast. I highly recommend this antenna for Meshtastic in the USA. Update: I apologize for photo quality. 1.093 SWR at 906.9. It's been up there 2 months through a couple decent storms. Performance unchanged, and now I can speak to the build quality. I'd give it 5.5 stars if I could. Number 4. Eifagur 8dB 915 MHz LoRa antenna for Helium hotspot. This antenna is designed to boost the range of your Helium hotspot. It's an indoor, omnidirectional antenna with 8dB gain. It will help you to get more coverage. This antenna works with various miners, including Nebra, Bobcat, and RAK. It's also suitable for different versions, such as US, CA, Australia, and New Zealand. Use it to improve your mining performance. The antenna comes with a heavy-duty magnetic base. The base is 2.76 inches in diameter and weighs 11 ounces. This allows you to easily place it in an optimal location. It operates in the 900 MHz to 930 MHz frequency range. It has a 16-inch height and a 3-meter cable. The RPSMA adapter is included for easy connection. For best results, place the antenna indoors near a window. This will help it send and receive signals more effectively. It is a great way to improve your hotspot's performance. What we like. This indoor antenna is designed for easy setup and optimal placement. The magnetic base allows for flexible positioning, while the 10-foot cable provides ample reach. If you have limited outdoor access or prefer a discreet setup, it's perfect for you. What people say. I brought different antennas from various places and this one is the best performer, used it for Bobcat 300 HNT Miner. I went from 6 to maybe 22 witnesses. I started seeing the farthest witnesses at 36 kilometers. After that, this worked really well. It hit other hotspots up to 19 kilometers away. Used this antenna in my attic with a SenseCap M1 Helium miner and it picked up quite a bit more and HN earnings increased after day 1. Yesterday I moved to a pole about 5 feet off the peak of my roof, 2-story house. That along with a 20-foot LMR 400 cable and I'm already starting to witness more miners. Number 3. Bingfu 43.3-inch 8dB 915 MHz Helium antenna. This antenna, standing at 43.3 inches, is designed for long-range use. It's perfect for suburban areas, helping you maximize your signal strength. The 8 dB gain ensures a strong signal. However, if you're in a dense area, consider a lower gain antenna. This helps to optimize performance based on your location. It comes with a 10 feet ALSR 240 low-loss cable. This double-shielded cable is built for outdoor use, ensuring durability and reliable performance over time. Inside, there's a pure copper oscillator, providing 8 dB gain at 915 MHz. This omnidirectional antenna is designed for long-range use and low VSWR. This antenna works with various Helium miner hotspots, including LoRa, Bobcat 300, and more. It's designed for HNT rewards and various IoT applications. Please note that it is a 915 MHz LoRa antenna and not compatible with 4G or Wi-Fi devices. The package includes the 915 MHz Helium antenna, a 10 feet low-loss extension cable, an adapter, and a U-bolt. Remember not to crimp the cable, as it may affect performance. We prioritize product quality and customer satisfaction. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. With its extended height and low-loss cable, this antenna is built for long-range performance. The low-loss cable ensures minimal signal degradation. If you live in a suburban area and want to maximize your coverage, it's a great option. What people say. The Bobcat Miner 300 is a great product. It works exactly as described. The setup was very easy. Number 2. Bingfu 915 MHz 3 dB HNT antenna with cable. This antenna is designed to boost your helium mining efficiency. It is compatible with various miner hotspots, helping you to maximize your rewards. Operating at 915 MHz, this antenna is optimized for the specific frequency used by helium miners. This ensures the best possible signal reception and transmission. Featuring a 3 dB gain, this antenna increases the range and strength of your signal. This allows it to connect with more hotspots and earn more HNT. The included ALSR 240 low-loss cable ensures minimal signal degradation. This helps to maintain the integrity of the signal, improving overall performance. It is compatible with a wide range of helium miner hotspots. The antenna is a great choice for anyone looking to improve their mining setup. The package includes everything you need for a quick and easy setup. You can get it up and running in no time. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This antenna features a 3 dB gain, ideal for areas with high hotspot density. The low-loss cable maintains signal integrity. If you're in an urban environment and need a reliable, compact antenna, it's a solid pick. What people say. Using this on a stationary rooftop Meshtastic node and it's been working great. Using this on my base station, and a simple 2 dB SMA antenna on the client unit, we were able to make a 12-mile, tenuous, connection using Meshtastic. I've installed 2 of these now, both on stationary Meshtastic base stations, and I'm happy with the results. Number 1. LoRa 915 MHz 8 dB Outdoor Omni-Direction Antenna Kit. This antenna is specifically designed for the 915 MHz frequency, but it's also compatible with a range of 900 MHz to 930 MHz. It ensures optimal performance for your devices. This feature helps to maximize the efficiency of the signal transmission. With an 8.3 dB gain at 915 MHz, it significantly boosts the signal strength. This enhancement leads to improved range and better connectivity for your applications. It helps to extend the reach of your network. This antenna can help to increase your HN crypto rewards. By improving the signal strength, it enhances the performance of your helium miner hotspot. This can lead to more efficient mining. It works with popular helium miner hotspots such as Bobcat Miner 300, LoRa, RAK-V2, SyncRob, and SenseCap. This wide compatibility makes it a versatile choice. It is easy to integrate into your existing setup. Ideal for helium miners, low-power radio, mesh networks, and IoT applications. It is suitable for various scenarios where long-range, reliable communication is essential. This antenna provides a robust solution for your needs. The package includes a fiberglass antenna, installation mounts, and a lightning arrestor. Everything you need to set up the antenna is included. It ensures a complete and convenient installation process. The antenna's length is crucial for gain. For example, a 2 dB gain antenna needs to be at least 6.5 inches long. The physics rule is important for optimal performance. What we like. This antenna offers a high gain for increased rewards. The included mounting hardware makes outdoor installation straightforward. If you're looking to maximize your HN earnings with a durable, easy-to-install antenna, consider this one. What people say. I verified with a VNA-C photo that this particular antenna is indeed tuned for 915 MHz with a VSWR of 1.12, very good. It also seems well constructed and is one of the shorter length 8 dB antennas that I have found. Once I got it up on my tower, I started witnessing people 35 to 50 kilometers away with clear line of sight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.